Hey Juniellys, in today's video I'm going to install this wig from start to finish. Stay tuned to see which techniques and products I use, and comment below what I did well and what I could have done better. Step 1 is to clean your skin to remove any oils and ensure the glue sticks properly. Now you're going to want to put your wig cap on. You're going to cut 2 ear holes so that the wig cap can lie correctly, and also it's going to help keep the wig cap in place as you are laying down the glue. Apply a thin layer of glue and let it dry down until it's tacky. I usually do this in about 2 to 3 layers for maximum hold. Tint the wig cap and your lace with the foundation of your choice to avoid the screen door look. At this stage, the glue should be slightly clear. Once the glue is tacky, press the lace gently into the glue. After we take the wig band off, we're going to go in with this adhesive spray and then place the wig band back on for another 20 minutes. This is going to help reinforce the hold that the wig has. Next, you're going to cut the extra lace off with your cutting tool of your choice. I use a razor for precision purposes, but I've seen other stylists and just people who install wigs use scissors before. Find your comfortability level and tool of your choice. If you do decide to use a razor though, please be careful because it is sharp and you can cut yourself. And then you see this right here. Absolutely not. We are not going into public like that. So we're going to take this spritz right here. We're using this as a melting spray. Some companies actually have a melting spray, and this is just going to help this harsh line blend seamlessly into the skin. Almost made you love me, almost made you cry. And this is the final look, everyone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified when I post, and I'll see you guys later.